Have a nice day, friend. So today I want to show how to hide your subscriber counter. First we want to go Chrome browser and touch here. You will see like that page. You should touch YouTube icon. After that, touch three dot like that and select desktop mode. To touch our channel logo like that. After that, we want to select Creative Studio. After that, you will see like that page. Then we want to select setting icon. After that, you select channel. Like that. After that, we want to go advanced setting.